Hi guys, welcome back. Today's battle is between YouCam Perfect and Photoroom. Both are AI-powered photo apps, but they shine in totally different ways. Let's find out which of them will be helpful to boost your finance brand or social content. Let's start with ease of use. YouCam Perfect has one tap and is beginner-friendly, while Photoroom is simple but is geared for e-commerce and product shots. E-commerce and product shots. When we look at their AI tools, YouCam Perfect has Retouch, Beautify, background remover AI tools, while Photoroom has background remover, product mockup, and templates. When we look at the price, YouCam Perfect has a free plan. It also has affordable premium plans, while Photoroom has a free plan but a higher premium tier. When we look at who or what they are best for, YouCam Perfect is best for polished selfies, LinkedIn photos, and branding, while Photoroom is best for online stores, product photos, and advertisements. When we look at speed, YouCam Perfect is fast and has auto-polish edits, while Photoroom is fast for background swaps and is design ready. Lastly, output style. YouCam Perfect gives you clean, professional, and personal output, while Photoroom gives you crisp, marketing-focused, and business visuals. In conclusion, YouCam Perfect is the go-to for personal branding. It gives you quick retouching, polished selfies, and pro-style profile pics. Photoroom, on the other hand, is built for business. It means product shots and finance-related visuals shine with ready-to-use templates and background removals. So if you want sharp personal content for your finance brand, go with YouCam Perfect. But if you are building a store, ads, or business graphics, Photoroom is your best bet. Which one do you see yourself using? Drop a pic below, hit like and subscribe for more smart comparisons only here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next one.